Hi mga ka-VAs and welcome to VA Diaries, ang channel kung saan sabay-sabay tayo na nag-grow professionally and personally, kaya don't forget to like and subscribe. Pag-usapan po natin today yung interview question na isinend sa atin ng isa nating subscriber na si Miss Arlene Sagid. Thank you so much po and shoutout po sa iyo dahil napaka-interesting po talaga ng tanong na to. Ito po yung ikinoment niya. Sabi niya, how to answer po, why should we hire a non-experienced like you instead of those with experienced applicants? Kaya ngayon po isi-share ko sa inyo yung mga approach na naisip ko na pwede natin gawin to frame an answer for this type of question at mamaya po ay bibigyan ko din kayo ng sample answer para dyan. So to frame my answer on this question, una ko pong approach is not to take the question literally. Kasi kung babasahin mo po yung tanong, why should we hire non-experienced candidate like you than an experienced applicant? Parang pinapa-compare sa'yo yung sarili mo to someone na mas may experience na kaysa sa'yo. Ang sakit sa bangs nun mga ka-VA, di ba? Kasi lalo kang mawawala ng kumpiyansa sa sarili mo nun kasi marirealize mo na mas may experience sila habang ikaw wala. Tapos, ang next approach ko po dyan is to read between the lines. Kasi para sa akin, ang hidden message ng tanong na yan is, wala ka pang experience. So, ano yung pwede mong mai-offer or ano yung meron ka para ikaw yung piliin namin, 'di ba? So, ito po yung best time no para mai-highlight po natin yung mga assets natin. Halimbawa, una, yung positive working habits, 'di po ba? So, chance mo na to highlight your strengths. And then second, yung mga achievements mo, like naging cum laude ka ba nung nag-aaral ka pa, naging scholar ka ba, naging awardee ka ba, meron ka po bang mga volunteer or social works na very impacting sa society, 'di ba? Yung mga ganun, yung mga plaque of recognition ka, 'di ba? Highlight mo 'yun. Tapos number three, seminars, trainings, and certificates. Importante po to kasi pag may mga ganyan ka, it shows that you have the initiative to upskill yourself and may ginagawa ka to develop or enhance your skills. Meron akong sample answer na i-share sa inyo today. Yung unang sample answer is, I may not have the proper experience right now, but I have attended certification trainings for digital marketing where I have learned different best practices that I can apply on the post. Number two po na sample answer natin, I may not have the proper experience right now, but I have attention to details and I can work with less supervision, which are some of the qualities that your company requires to have. So para ka lang din po dyan sumagot ng interview question na why should we hire you? Nasinagot din natin sa channel na to, kaya panoorin nyo po din yung video na yon kasi ang dami ko pong binigay na technique kung paano sagutin yung tanong na, na why should we hire you? And then meron ding why should we not hire you naman? So interesting din po yung question na yan. So panoorin niyo po lahat 'yon. And 'yun po yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo today and thank you po ulit kay Ma'am Arlene Sagid and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe. And sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe, sobrang thank you po talaga at magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod kong video. Keep safe everyone. Have a great day. Bye!